Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Hostinger domain and hosting. We will cover two main approaches: updating name servers and configuring a records. Understanding these steps is crucial for getting your website online smoothly. We will also discuss how to confirm your connection is working correctly and offer practical tips for resolving any problems you might encounter. Let's get your website up and running. The recommended way to connect your domain is by updating name servers. First, log into your Hostinger H panel and find your unique name server addresses, usually 2 of them. Next, go to your domain registrar, where you purchased your domain, and navigate to their DNS or name server management section. Replace any existing name servers with the ones from Hostinger. Save these changes. Remember, it can take up to 24 hours for these updates to fully spread across the internet. Alternatively, you can connect your domain using a records, which offers more granular control. Begin by locating your hosting plan's dedicated IP address within your Hostinger H panel. Then, access your domain registrar's advanced DNS settings. Here, you will add a new record. Set the host to @ for your main domain and input the Hostinger IP address as the value. It is important to check for and remove any conflicting A or CNAME records for your root domain. After making DNS changes, it is essential to verify your connection. Utilize online DNS checker tools to see if your domain is pointing correctly worldwide. If your website still isn't loading, try clearing your browser's DNS cache. Always double-check that the name servers or IP addresses you entered are exactly correct. If issues persist after 48 hours, do not hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's customer support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.